Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ArifZikry bin Muhammad Khizir. My registration number is 01 DKA20F1055. I'm from class DKA3C. Okay. Today I would like to present about topic 3, hydrodynamics. So the subtopic I choose is compressible and incompressible. Okay. Thank you to Madam Norashima for giving me the space and opportunity for this presentation. Okay, next we go to the concept of flow in motion for compressible and incompressible. Okay, a flow is classified as being compressible or incompressible depending on the level of variation of density during flow. Incompressibility is an approximation, and a flow is said to be incompressible if the density remains nearly constant throughout. Therefore, the volume of every portion of fluid remains unchanged over the course of its motion when the flow or the fluid is incompressible. The densities of liquid are essentially constant, and thus the flow of liquids is typically incompressible. Alright, after that, what is definition of compressible and incompressible? Okay, the definition of compressible flow means a flow that undergoes a notable variation in density with standing pressure. So there is rho not equal which constant. For the definition of incompressible is incompressible flow means flow with variation of density due to pressure change is negligible or infinitesimal. Other liquids at constant temperature are incompressible. So there is rho equal with constant. Okay, next you can see that is the illustration of a compressible and incompressible flow. Okay, beside that, I like to show you the animation video of a compressible and incompressible flow. So I hope this video can help you to understand better.
Compressible flow is that the type of flow in which the density of the fluid changes from point to point. Incompressible flow is that the type of flow in which density is constant for the fluid flow.
Right, the lastly is a comparison between compressible fluid and incompressible fluid. Okay, for the compressible fluid is a fluid is matter that can be compressed with the application of an external pressure. For incompressible, a fluid is matter that cannot be compressed with the application of an external pressure. Alright, the volume for compressible can be reduced with the application of a pressure on the fluid. For incompressible, volume cannot be reduced with the application of a pressure on the fluid. Okay, next the density for compressible fluid can be changed with the application of a pressure on the fluid. For incompressible, density cannot be changed with the application of the pressure on the fluid. Okay, the last is a value of compressible fluid. A value of mesh number should be greater than 0.3. For incompressible fluid, value of mesh number should be less than 0.3. So far, enough my presentation for this time. Thank you for listening.